welcome to my video. This is where I'm going to share all my guns and stuff like that. Today we have something. So we got guns, knives, swords, hammers, cap guns and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you right now, okay? So this is a Nerf gun. I don't know which one. It showed me on the bottom, but see, we have no. We just need batteries because this is an electronic. No, it's has a laser here. But now the laser is broken and I can't use it. So this is just one. We're going over the stuff that that's going to be in our videos. And we have this Call of Duty one with my brother. Just me and my brother. Yeah. So let's start. So we have this. I already showed you. It's a Nerf gun. Stop. It's a Nerf gun, and we have a Power Ranger sword. That's pretty much a knife now. It's a knife. It'd be good for a baby, but I don't know why. So, we got this darkness blade. We got it in Arizona, and now we're in Minnesota. And no, we're in Wisconsin. I meant. And we got this in Arizona at the dollar store for $1, and it's a darkness blade. So got a green lightsaber, 2 hammers, no, 2 bats, and let's go with this one. So it's a good one because I can shoot pretty far. And this is my little sister's, even though it's a good gun.
Anyway, no one's keeping it. But I am.
This is like the best gun because it has like this nice handle grip right here, and I think it's cool. So we're using all these in our battle, in our wars, in our force. So we have this shield this thing that comes with this big gun. I don't think I can show it because it's really huge. Hold on. This. And then we have this thing right here that goes with it. There's a little button here to make it come out. And if I want it in, we can just push it in.
No, he's not doing anything.
Like this. It's cool because it's an electronic. It goes by itself. We have a Zombie Strike Flip Fairy.
Yeah, that's all of ours.
We also have cap guns.
Well, it's me and
So, and we have, it's a pretty cool shotgun. And this is, this one's my favorite because, this one's my third favorite because how it's gripped, and it's like this. And once you have the bullet in, you can do that. And then there's like this thing right here. that holds your bullets. And the bullet things are pretty soft, so it's pretty good. So that's why I like it. And why I like this one is because it's an animatronic. It has the handlebar here, and all you need is a push of a button to make these and lay on the floor. And so why I don't like this one? Cause look, here this laser does not work anymore, and I'd like the laser right now, but it doesn't work. So I gotta just wait for a couple more days until I can get a new one of these. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, we have one more gun, yeah, and it's the best gun ever. So we have a rival Nerf gun. Wait, it's a rival XV700. Rival XV700, and we pretty much use this on. I don't want to load it because I have no bullets. Until I have the bullets, I can load it. But yeah, so I like this because when I load it, all you have to do is just pull back, push up, and just pull the trigger. It's pretty much I think that's it. Did I show you stuff? Did I show you all of it? Let me check. I think that was it, cause yeah. Oh, except for the scope. Yeah, we got a scope. I don't know if it works on this. Let me try. Let me see. So it's this way. I think it's good. Yeah, we already showed that. Yes. Okay, so that was pretty much it. The last one was a scope, so.
Step in the video.
That's good. This is my sister.
Hello.
High five.
Oh.
Thumbs up. And like this video. In 3, 2, 1.